welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are going to make ourselves a Jupiter's Towers of Heck game. So by doing this, we are going to go to create, and so click create new game. Then we're going to click base plate. We're going to name it Tower of Heck. So after that, we're just gonna say, make it adventure. I'm gonna say, this is tutorial. That's it. And now we're going to do this. So first thing we are going to do is going to click edit. And after we've done that, we now have all of this. I'm gonna do that. And then we're going to go to my models. We have no models. So what we're gonna do is we are going to go to so I will be right back. Alright guys, we are back. So what you're gonna do is you're going to get this kit. And thanks to this person for making this kit. They're really good. And so yeah. So we're going to click that. And then we're going to go to Roblox Studio. And now we are going to go to this. We're going to here. And the first thing you want to do is not delete the base plate, but click scale and make it look like an island. I'm going to look like that. Like I'll just make this look like an island by just doing this as soon as possible. The next thing you want to do is create a part, anchor it. Make it hide away because you're going to want to make it different. So then after that, you're going to make a little box. So to do that, you can just so after that, this is just the box you're going to be in when you spawn. So we're going to group that together, name it spawn box. After that, we are going to rename the base plate island. And we're going to go to this, then we're going to ungroup this. We're going to take the thing GUI scripts and we're going to place it in starter GUI. So there we go. And then it's just gonna say loading right there. Wait, no. Oh no, you gotta put in replicated first. So there we go, now it's in replicated first. We are going to take the mini tower We can place it down right on here. So we can squeeze the island a bit. Go. After that, we're just going to take this and we can just decorate it the way we want. But for now, I'm just going to leave it like that. So now that we've done this, we are going to take our cams and we are going to take cam 1 and we are going, so we're going to take cam 1 and just squeeze it right over here. So now, if we press play, it should appear. Start with the loading screen. Oh, something's broken. Oh yeah, I forgot. So we have to place a spawn pad in here. So we're going to take our spawn box. I forgot to place a spawn point. So we're just gonna insert a spawn point. Location. We are going to take it to our spawn box. And we're gonna place it right in there. So there, now that we've done that, just play again, and hopefully this should work. There we go, it does work. So now we've got our ring 1 thing. It's really good. Awesome. So thank you to that person for creating. Now that you've created ring 1 and 2, you can create multiple worlds. All you gotta do is just do the exact same with ring 1. You take the camera right here, and you're going to place it where you want it to look at, like this. So now after that, we are going to do something where we take the place, we're going to click on places right over here. We're going to click add new place, and it should load. Then after that, we're going to rename it to be first ring. And then after that, that's good. So now, we're just going to go back to create over here, places, and then it should appear to have first ring right here. I'm going to click this right here. And you're going to look at the top thing at the top. And you're going to copy the numbers at the top and the link. And then after that, we're going to have to go into a script. So we do that. And we're going to go into replicated first, GUI scripts, screen GUI, and then but script. Just going to go into it. And here, where it says this number right here, you're going to delete that and replace it. So then after that, we're just going to click publish to Roblox. And after that, we're going to go back to our game. We're going to click play. And this should work. It doesn't take very long. There, so now we are in the game. So we're gonna click play. And it'll teleport you to first ring. And that's good. So now we are going to work on our path. Alright, so now that we have this, we're going to exit out. We're going to go to create. We're going to go to places. We're going to go to first string and we're going to click edit. So now we have this. We have this huge base plate. So basically, it's just like we had before. Now we can design it any way we want. Doing that and that. Just squeezing it together. Now we're going to insert another kit where we're going to calculate that. And to turn the shadow off. I'm just building a lobby right now, so you don't really have to worry. It's not going to be a very good lobby. You can make yours way better. So, there we go. Good. So then we're going to take this and turn the shadow off. And there we go. Now we have a good looking lobby. Well, not very good looking, but I'm going to group these together. I'm going to name it lobby. And now that we have lobby, we are going to insert another kit. So the next kit will be in the description and you're going to get it. Okay, so we have this kit. We're just going to click get. Also, the link will be in the description. So we are going to now go back into the tower effect tutorial. Gonna reset the models, and then here we go. We have portal kit, and it's pretty big. So we can. Oh, I'm in the wrong game. So I have to go to first right here. Click my models and insert it. There we go. Now we have our tower kit. So we can delete the embers. We want to delete the difficulties. We want to drag tower name into portal. There we go. So now we have this. We are going to take this here. Also, don't forget to put a spawn location. So I'm just going to do that as fast as possible. And here we go, we have a spawn location. So now we're going to take our model. And you can drag the hints right above. What you can do with the hints is drag them right above the tower of example tower. So there we go. And so for the tower, you can delete the ones that you don't want. Like if I was making there we go. Then we can take this part and we're going to go like that. Go to text label and say bye. I don't know how to spell my name, so I'm just gonna say Quaxi. There we go. Yeah, this is my alt account because my main account has my real tower game. So here we go. We're just gonna take our portal, take our hints, and drag them into the portal. Oh, and we are now doing this. So, alright, so now we have thing that says tower of example tower. Alright, so now we have our word tower right here. It says tower of example tower. So now we can click the tower name thing and do the exact same thing we did before. We're going to say tower of tutorials. And after we've done that, I guess we can name it tower of tutorials. So now that we've done that, we are just going to go to the difficulty chart and we're going to just drag it here, right beside the tower of tutorials. Guess we could take the spawn location and make it closer, because yeah. After that, we now have this. So then, we are going to search up. Then we are going to go and find it. Alright, now that we have this, we are now going to get it too. So now that we've got it, just gonna go back into the first ring, and we are going to go to our models, go to our easy teleporter, and that's good. So now we're just going to go in them, take out the particle emitters, because those are the sparkles, and we can take our first teleporter and teleport it into right here. And now we can just scroll it in by doing that. So now we have our teleporter. We can call it green to make it look like that. So then we can just make it a greenish color. Now, if we click play and test it, button, we can walk into it and do the button. Also, another thing you want to do is go to game settings, avatar, and make sure this is R6. Because then people won't be able to use their animations, which will be annoying. There we go. So now we have this. Now we can walk into the tower of tutorials and it'll teleport us up here. That's good. And now we can start working on the tower. Also, you want to make this teleporter right here. I'm going to make it transparency. Well, then, after that, we can take a lobby and make it. Take these base plates and make them like that. So then, now you can see outside. Now after that, we have this invisible teleporter right here we haven't used yet. But now what we're going to do is insert a part. Just good. And we can do this. Now we have a mini tower. There we go. We can start working on it, making floors. Also, I forgot to anchor it, so anchor that right there. And don't forget to anchor it. You should also go to this and turn the shadow so it won't look dark. Now after that, you can just put the rooms up a little and then color it a different color. And the walls up a bit and change it a different color. Do that again. Make it a different color. Do it once more and make it a final color. Guess I can make another floor, which will be red. And there we go. Have the course, we can begin to work. But these outside parts gonna change them. There we go. Now we have this. Hopefully that we got this color red. Go. Now or you do not want to leave any gaps, so there we go. So now we have our perfect tower. We have our teleporter underneath it somewhere, I think. Let's just go back to it, and it's right there, so we can move it to the middle. And there we go. Now, play. And now we can walk on the teleporter and go teleporter. Maybe we should take the teleporter, put it under that like a little, so then we won't be able to teleport back. And there we go. Now we have our tower. Now we can start building. So we can grab that and make an obstacle course. I'll be back when the course is done. Alright, I'm back. So we have finished our tower. We are just going to group it now and name it Tower of Tutorials. Tutorials. And there we go. Now that we've done that, in this, or there we go. And now that we've done that, we just turn on Honey. And now we have a tower, a working tower, that hopefully works. So we have, here we go, we have the tower tutorials. For some reason the teleporter is not working. Let's try starting it. Should work now. I wonder why it's not working. Maybe it's because we named the floor. Okay, so we have fixed it. So now we can go and now that we've done this, we can just do this. If you want to try this game out, the link will be in the description below. Okay. There we go. Now we're good. And we have, okay, tower's possible. There we go. Now this is the end. And now there's two more things we need to do, and that's it. So the first thing you want to do is add music. It won't take a while, because now we can just find some good music, like maybe we could add it's raining. Go. So we can just click on that. And then also that sounds good, right? So then we can just take It's Raining Tacos. We're gonna go to properties. And where's this playing? And looped. You're gonna check those. There we go. So now all we gotta do is make a finish room, which I can make pretty easily. So anchor. Alright, so we have now created our finish room. So then we're gonna go back to our models, easy teleporter again, and take out the sparkles. And I can take this and drag it all the way up. Actually, we can keep the sparkles for blue. Oh, well, no, we don't need that. Stop. So, we go. So now we have our blue thing. I want to go back. Okay, so now that we have the sparkles, we can go all the way back up to the top. Yellow, and you can customize it how you want. There we go. So here is our end, and we can place it right on. And there we go. There we go. So now we have this right here. Now that we have our now we have okay. So we can just 0 and move it all right over here. And then okay. Now we can go to and find sign like sign. Now we have a sign. And now that we have a sign, we can just go. There we go. Then we can add. Then we can go and do sign. We'll say you beat the tower. Good job. And there we go. So now that we've done that, we can just make another teleporter by doing that. Taking this teleporter. And we can move it. Wait, no, we don't have to create teleporters because we can just add lava. Now we have lava. Take away the decals. Oh. There we go. And that is how you create Jupiter's Towers of Heaven. So now let's test out the entire game. So first, we're going to publish this. Exit it. Publish it. And exit it. There we go. So now, we can just go to here. We can go to Tower of Heaven tutorial. And go to play. Game link will be in the description, so you'll be able to play. Alright, it's working perfectly. Here we go. So we can play. Teleporting. Teleport us to the first one.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos out in the street. Tacos, all you can eat. Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yum. It's like a dream.
Here we go. Let's
Bring your sour cream.
so we can just go to create. We can fix that pretty easily by just changing the teleport. Okay, so now we're back in. We can go to this teleport right here. And we can just make it go down a bit. Now it should work. Oh, publisher though. Okay. Then we can go to tutorial. Make it. I forgot to do something. Make the game icon. Make a name. Okay, so we can just go to permissions, access, and we allow everyone, and we can make VIP servers 0 Alex free. Okay, there we go. Now we have free VIP servers, and this should hopefully it does, because this video took a while to make. From 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock. 2 hours. Okay. And it should teleport us.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos out in the street. Tacos, all you can eat. Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yum,
Maybe
yum.
this
Bring
way
your
is
sour
going.
cream.
We're back where we started. It's perfect. It's good. So, that's how you create a shaker game.
Cheese. It's raining tacos.
Okay, here we go. So that's good. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.